In the last video, we designed a targeting system. We focused entirely on architecture, not abilities. Today, we're doing the thing that actually proves that design works. We're going to build a real ability on top of it without rewriting a single targeting rule. For our first real ability, we're using Fireball, not because it's simple, but because it's hard. Fireball touches everything: mouse intent, distance fallback, line of sight, projectiles, and server authority. If the targeting system survives Fireball, it will survive almost anything. Before we look at any ability code, let's restate the promise of the targeting system. The system answers one question: what is the best target right now? It does not deal damage, it does not play effects, it does not know what a fireball is. Every ability follows the same contract. The client's job is simple: read input and suggest intent. The server's job is strict: validate and execute or reject. Here's an important distinction. When the mouse ray hits a wall, the system doesn't assume I meant the wall, it asks a better question: what enemy was I probably trying to hit? This is like FPS headshots. If your crosshair is basically on the enemy, the game understands your intent, but it only counts the shot if it's actually valid. The Fireball client script does almost nothing. It does not raycast, it does not validate, it does not decide. All it does is ask one question: what model did the player intend to hit? If the targeting system returns nothing, the ability doesn't guess, it simply doesn't fire. The Fireball server script is where the rules live. This is where we ask: is the target real? Is it alive? Is it tagged? Is it in range? Is line of sight clear? The client is allowed to feel good, the server is allowed to be right. Building Fireball didn't change the targeting system's design. It revealed the production details every real system needs. They don't change the architecture, they make it safe to reuse. Once Fireball works, everything else is easy. Heal, lightning, dash, area of effect abilities, priority targeting, soft lock. None of those require a new targeting system. They only require different execution logic. Fireball was chosen intentionally because it stresses every part of the targeting system. Quick note before we wrap up. The download for this series includes everything you're seeing here, including Fireball. That doesn't mean the targeting system changed. The architecture from video 1 is identical. What Fireball added were the production details every real project needs, things like resolving part hits to models, ignoring projectiles, and defensive checks. These don't change how targeting works, they make it safe to reuse. If you found this video useful, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.